Coming up, I will discuss why a short attention span can impact your personal and professional life and why now is an excellent time to change it. Let's get started. If you're new here, my name is Matthew Royce. I am a knowledge enthusiast. I have no attention span. I get bored so fast, said Carrie Underwood, an American singer. More people have shorter attention spans in today's fast-paced modern world. An attention span means how long you can focus or concentrate. This could be listening to someone or focusing on your next chess move. When you have a short attention span, you are easily distracted. You have trouble focusing, you can't concentrate, and you don't stay focused. A short attention span makes all of your perceptions and relationships shallow and unsatisfying, said Eckhart Tolle, a teacher and author. A short attention span is a derivative of our modern world vying for our attention at every moment. Social media and technology can have a significant impact on our behavior and our attention span. If you are missing critical details, are not listening during meetings, don't follow through with tasks, and have difficulty communicating with others, you may have a short attention span. To improve your attention span, you must develop habits, learn self-discipline, and find ways to keep your focus. What can help is that you enter the flow, a state of mind where you are totally immersed in an activity when you perform tasks. Successful people maintain a positive focus in life, no matter what is going on around them, said Jack Canfield, an American author, motivational speaker, corporate trainer, and entrepreneur. Here are 10 simple yet powerful ways to enhance your attention span. Number 1, remove distractions. You may run into many things during the day that can distract you. It would help if you start by documenting what distractions you experience. It can be your smartphone, background noise, or a room that is too hot or too cold. You can lose focus on many different things and must stay focused on the task at hand. When you remove distractions one by one, you can ensure you don't break your rhythm of the day. The little things or minor distractions divert your attention for a few seconds, violating your flow state. Number 2, limit screen time. Technology is a significant source of distraction. You can quickly visit social media, watch videos, or buy things online. Technology can distract you from what you should be doing. With so much information and entertainment, it can be hard to handle. To improve your attention span, you should reduce your screen time. If you have an iPhone or iPad, you can set up screen time limits for apps, games, and communication such as email and texting. Limiting screen time can help you stay focused. Number 3, stop multitasking. Some people say they can master multitasking. That's a myth. Multitasking is a bad habit. Research has found it's more efficient to focus on one task at a time. Why, you may ask? Your attention is not divided and your brain doesn't have to make mental jumps multiple times to complete many different tasks. Multitasking is not a skill you should master. Slow down and focus on a single task at a time. You'll complete tasks faster and you'll improve your ability to concentrate on things. Number 4, exercise more. Exercise has many benefits, including improving your attention span. Exercise helps you with your emotional, physical, and mental health. Your body gives you many warning signs if you lack sufficient exercise. You don't have to exercise a lot. You just need to ensure you get 30 minutes of exercise a day, such as a short walk or jog. When you get your blood flowing and your brain activated, your brain and body will be able to work better. This will help you concentrate more after the physical activity. Number 5, listen to music. Research has found that music is as important as exercise. Music can improve your focus. When you have a good playlist on Spotify, you can avoid distractions that get in your way. Music helps you cope with the highs and lows of your life and balances your stressed out mind. Music can help you feel more alert and focused. Listening to music is vital to your mental health. Make sure you incorporate music into your life because music can help you relax, boost your mood, and improve your concentration. Number 6, meditate. Meditation is all about training your mind to redirect your thoughts and focus. It teaches you how to respond, not react to situations in your life, and become more purposeful with every action. Meditation sounds simple, but it takes time and discipline. Meditation is about quieting your thoughts and regaining your focus. It helps you increase your attention span by calming down your mind. Deep breathing helps you bring extra oxygen to your brain, relaxing your mind in the process. Number 7, drink more water. Hydration can help you fix your short attention span. Research has found that to stay in good health, you should drink 4 to 6 glasses of water every day. When you consistently drink water, you can stay focused. Developing a habit of drinking water will help you ensure you are not dehydrated. Water is critical because we are made up mostly of water. Number 8, take more breaks. You can have a short attention span if you don't take enough breaks throughout the day when you are working. It would help if you took a break for at least 5 minutes when things become too much at work. There are many simple things you can do during a break. Researchers have discovered that taking breaks can refresh your brain and body. A break is an excellent way to increase your energy, productivity, and focus. Breaks can help you regroup your mind and improve your ability to concentrate. Number 9, time block. Time block is where you block off periods of time and dedicate that time to specific similar activities. When the time block starts, all you do is focus on those tasks. When the time block ends, you move on to another time block. This method can help you maintain focus throughout the day. You can control your attention span while maximizing your productivity. Time blocking works because you schedule your day in single task or group task activities. Number 10, try intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting can help you increase your focus. It can be your friend, not your foe. Fasting should be done intelligently, and you shouldn't go too long without food. Fasting is also an age-old ritual. Religions such as Christianity, Islam, Hinduism, and Buddhism have a form of fasting for religious reasons. The human body is equipped to go for long times without food. Intermittent fasting is an excellent method to help you stay focused and clear your mind. Okay, let's bring it all together. First, if you like what you saw here, please hit the subscribe button below. I did not succeed in life by intelligence. I succeed because I have a long attention span, said Charlie Munger, an American billionaire, investor, businessman, and former real estate attorney. There are 10 simple ways to improve your attention span. Remove distractions, limit screen time, stop multitasking, exercise more, and listen to music. Meditate, drink more water, take more breaks, time block, and try intermittent fasting. If you practice and are patient, you can improve your attention span for the long term. Thank you for watching. Until next time.